Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this video. Have you ever stumbled upon a suspicious program on your computer? Not sure if it's safe or something you can ditch? Hash. If you have, I introduces you to shouldiRemove.it.com, your one-stop shop for identifying and removing unwanted software. We'll show you how to quickly and easily identify unknown programs. Unsure what a program does? ShouldIRemove.it.com has a vast database to help you figure it out. Check for malware, worried about viruses or spyware. See if a program is flagged as malicious and learn how to remove it safely. Make informed decisions, should you keep it or toss it? Our community ratings and expert insights help you decide. What are the benefits should I remove it? Peace of mind, knowing your computer is safe from unwanted software. Save time. Quickly identify and remove unnecessary programs. Make informed choices, get the information you need to keep your computer running smoothly. Head over to shouldiRemove.it.com today and take control of your computer. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.